Thank you for clicking this video from the septum of my heart. And the people who are in medical science can understand easily what is septum, but the people who are still not able to understand, I would like to tell the meaning. So septum means the middle war of my heart. Okay, and if you are still not able to understand, so dil ke beech ki diwar. Okay, so in this video na, we are going to talk about how to make good use of our phone, because nowadays the people who are using mobile phone, uh, most of most of the people don't have, I mean, knowledge. Mostly in rural area, they don't have knowledge. They don't have knowledge what is the meaning of this phone, what is the meaning of the mobile. Okay, why was it made for? Yeah, what is the duty of this phone? So let me tell you. You know what? This phone was made only for to connect the people who are, I mean, who are unable to talk with each other uh, on the spot. So for those people it was made for. Like, you are somewhere, you are somewhere else, I am somewhere else. Okay, so how can we connect with each other? So because of this thing it was made for. So is it still working its duty? I mean, is it still performing its duty? So yes, it is working. It is, I mean, performing its duty, but we forgot. Yeah. Even I mean, have you ever noticed that? Have you ever noticed when you use your phone, when you use whatever in your phone, you are just studying, you are if, I mean, whatever you are doing, studying and playing game and watching movies, whatever you are doing, when someone makes you call, doesn't it ring? Tell me honestly, it rings na? So it means that it, I mean, it didn't forget its duty, but we forgot how to make a good use of this phone. We forgot. So it's a humble request to use this phone in a positive way, so that you could learn something, so that you could do something in your life, so that you could, get something from this phone, from this mobile. And I would like to ask the question, do you know the Hindi meaning of this mobile? Tell me honestly. If you know the Hindi meaning of this mobile, so tell me into the comment box. And if you don't know, so let me tell you. The Hindi meaning of this mobile is Sachal Durvash Yantra. Okay, and it's meaning that the people who are not able to, I mean, connect with each other, they could talk to each other. Okay, it is the simple meaning of this mobile. So make a good use of this phone. Even I am here because of this phone. I'm speaking English language because of this phone. I'm making videos because of this phone. So make a good use of your phone and do something in your life. Improve your life. What you are doing in this 21st century, what the people are doing in this world, and where we are in village area, there is nothing, I mean, there is no any type of changes, any type of change, I mean, where we are living, I mean, we need to change ourselves, we need to change our mentality, we need to, I mean, change the habit how to use the phone. Make a good use of your phone, right? Okay, so I think it is enough for today. Yes, so let's